omuwala omulungi akola ennyo ate batugamba abawala abalungi just bafuna basajja ne babateekamu ssente naawe olinayo ki sugar daddy eri ekivujjirira
sinabaawo naye nga wemufuna nange sijja kukola. I also want a taste of the soft life. Mulowooza njaga, you think I want to be here right now? Ngenkuba I wish I had the chance. Okay, not like I wish, but obviously if the opportunity presents itself, nange nja kunyumirwamu katini.
oyagalayo ki sugar daddy
Okay, why am I at work now, for example? Kati nkola ki wano? You get kukola na because like I danced through the whole lockdown. Nga tukola misana nechiro. Up to now I'm still working. Nange ndi muntu nkowa. Like yo. I also want to know what it's like to eat money that I didn't work for. Right now, Cecilia just because there are things I would do if the money wasn't mine. I would reach here and chopper. You're joking. But just because I worked for the money, I have to be responsible. So,
naye boyfriend
right now, no.
oli single and searching
Single. Yes, searching. I was going to say not searching, but then I realized every time I said not searching, mumvako, katikanga searching muje. Wachiri I see ndavirao. But
abajja abeere ng'afaanana atya ajja gy'oli abe ng'afaanana atya
qualities. I like funny people. I like people who talk a lot. Like, don't na madrat nechiko. So you have to be funny responsibly. Like touch to say, but like I like someone I can be able to talk to. Because I'm a talker, everyone knows I like talking. I talk from morning up to evening. So what to over the kuhuri is a chenga to jack wagaze njogera nyo. Njogera things that don't make sense, things that make sense. So you have to be very strong by the time you come towards me. At least you have to be willing to listen to my nonsense. Njakutekako filter ku Snapchat. To jakulia, I like eating food. And I like moving around, so like that, just a person that is open to teaching me how to live life. That's what I would want. I want someone to show me a different way of living life.